Did you know America's most wanted terrorist evaded the FBI for 18 years using nothing but his genius in a typewriter? Ted Kaczynski was a Harvard-educated mathematician who declared war on modern technology. From 1978 to 1995, he mailed bombs to university professors and airline executives. 3 people died, 23 were injured. The FBI launched their largest domestic terrorism investigation ever. 500 agents, $50 million. They found nothing. Kaczynski's operational security was flawless. He built bombs from untraceable materials, wore disguises during surveillance, left 0 fingerprints or DNA evidence. Each bomb was more sophisticated than the last. His Montana cabin became a laboratory of terror. But then he made one crucial mistake. He demanded newspapers publish his 35,000-word manifesto about destroying industrial society. When it ran, his own brother recognized the writing style and philosophical arguments. The brother who had once loved him became the one who turned him in. Inside Kaczynski's cabin, agents found detailed bombing journals, chemical formulas, and partially completed devices. 18 years of perfect crimes ended by family betrayal.